Hello, my name is Joey Eades. I'm doing my Lab 4 assignment in my Why Science Matters class at University of Charleston. My lab is going to consist of lemon juice, a blank piece of paper, a bowl, a Q-tip, and a toaster. The toaster is going to be used for my heating source. First, I'm going to take a blank piece of paper, take a little bit of lemon juice, apply it to the bowl, take my Q-tip, dip it down in the lemon juice, and we are going to be writing an invisible message. You take your Q-tip that has lemon juice on it and write a message on the piece of paper. And I will explain what is happening at a later date, or at a later time in the video. Sorry. I'm going to let my heat source warm up just a moment. Let my paper air dry. You don't want it to be soaked when you put it on there. You can't see what is being written on the paper. The heat source is good and hot. I'm going to hold the paper over top of the toaster, but I'm not going to actually put it down on there because it'll catch on fire, of course. I'm just letting the heat source heat and show the secret message that was written on the paper. Always make sure you cut off your heat source. And the paper, as you can see, now reveals the secret message that was written. The reason for this, the lemon juice acts as an acid. So when it is applied to the paper, it weakens the paper. And when it is put to a heat source, then the heat source burns where the lemon juice was first because the lemon juice has weakened the paper. The reason that I chose this experiment is because I'm still a kid at heart. I have 2 little ones myself. So it is something that when I was looking through that I could use and be able to do this experiment with them at a later date as well. I would say this lab has the acid to the paper acts as a decomposition because it does weaken the paper, and then when it's applied to the heat source, then it is burnt first, and then the paper does not burn as quickly as the weakened portion where the lemon juice was. This concludes my experiment.